Hi there. In this video, we are going to see how to add DNS records to your Cloudflare account. First, log into your Cloudflare account and go to the website section. Choose your mail sending domain from the available list. From the domain overview page, go to the DNS tab. To add a DNS record, click on the Add Record button under the DNS Management section. Let's begin with a CNAME record. Click on the drop-down menu and choose CNAME as the type. Now, enter the name of the record as SP track. Once done, let's proceed to add the target value. Kindly make sure that the proxy status is turned off for CNAME records. Click on the Save button to save the record. Repeat the process for the remaining DNS records. Let's add another CNAME record. You can copy the hostname from your SendX account and proceed to add the value in the content field as shown. Don't forget to turn off the proxy status. Hit the Save button to save the entry. Let's repeat the steps for the final record. Click on the drop-down menu. Choose TXT as the type. Enter the hostname as spdkim_domain key. Copy the value of the record from your SendX account and paste it into the highlighted field. Click on the Save button to finish the whitelisting. It'll take anywhere between 2 to 48 hours for the records to propagate. You can check the whitelisting status after a few hours. Thanks for watching, stay tuned.